radiofrequency ablation for knee pain. So a lot of patients have severe knee pain due to advanced arthritis of the knee. Due to some reason like maybe diabetes, heart disease, old age, they are not able to undergo surgery, but they are having severe pain in the knee. Secondly, it might be that the patient is not willing to undergo knee surgery currently, or thirdly, it may be that the patient has already undergone knee surgery and still patient is having pain. For all these, there is an excellent treatment option which we call as cooled radiofrequency ablation. In this, we visualize the nerves which supply the knee joint and which are responsible for carrying pain sensations from the knee. There are 3 such nerves which we visualize under ultrasonography. Accurately we locate them, we ensure that that is the correct nerve, and after that, with the help of a radiofrequency ablation machine, with the temperature increased, we stop the conduction from these nerves. With the help of this, the pain that is supplied from the knee to the spine to the brain, that pain sensation is not felt by the patient. This does not affect the functioning of the knee joint, the balance of the patient, or any other problem in the knee joint. It does not cause. Only the nerves that are responsible for the pain carrying sensations, these are blocked. This is a daycare procedure. This does not require any bed rest, any hospitalization. Procedure takes around 45 minutes. After the procedure, patient can go home immediately and can start with his daily activities. After the procedure, some basic analgesics for the pain that is due to the needle, only that much for 2 days, and antibiotics are prescribed. Effect of this treatment takes around 3 to 4 weeks to come. Effect of this treatment lasts for about 2 years. After that, there is a chance that the nerves might get regenerated. But whenever the patient is pain-free in these 2 years, we carry out rehabilitation and physiotherapy, due to which the alignment of the knee joint is maintained. We cannot reverse the changes completely, but we prevent it from worsening. And most of the patients do not require a second radiofrequency ablation. So this treatment is done in the operation theatre at the hospital in order to ensure a sterile environment, and this is one of the best treatment options that is available for advanced knee osteoarthritis.